Well, there it is, guys. I would have easily made this a 500 subscriber special, but I haven't reached 500 subscribers yet. And this here's the only chance. Well, this here's one of the only two chances I could ever film this siren going off, and filming it too. So I took my first chance. It's the first Wednesday of the month. My second chance will be the first Wednesday of July, which won't happen until a month from here. So yeah, I don't know if you're able to hear the other 2001 130 in the background, the ambience of it. There's one that's somewhere behind my house. It's around Lion Club's Park. If you want to find it, it's like around the football field. So yeah, there it is. There's that. See you guys later. Bye.